Hey guys, today is September 22nd. It's 11:33 a.m. I wanted to 3D print a few things, but my 3D printer got clogged. I guess I gotta fix that. I have a 3D printer made by G-Create. It's a G-Max 1.5X T Plus E3D V6 hot end. So I swapped that out. Just so I could get higher temperatures, so I could print higher temperature materials. And yeah, it got clogged, and I'll explain how. This is a fan that blows air through this cooling block and keeps this area cool. This is a heat block that keeps this area constantly hot. This tube right here is the removable tube, which most likely has the clog right there, or basically somewhere around here. My problem is somewhere around here. So when I pull the halfway melted filament back out, chances are some leftovers just kind of stuck to the wall around here. So basically what I need to do, I need to take entire thing, disassemble everything, take this tube out, and then clean it out. And I will show you a way how I clean them out, which probably the worst possible way of doing that, but so it's actually worse than I thought. So I have a lot more, come on, focus, a lot more filament inside there, and even in this tube, which is weird. I wasn't expecting that. Right in here in that tube that I showed you, there is way too much. So basically this is what I'm doing with, well, this is what I'm doing. That's most likely overkill, but as you can see, or maybe you can't, that residual filament started melting and it's on fire, or at least it was on fire. I got this guy all clean, well, fairly clean. It doesn't have a clog or anything else. So this guy is all fine, everything's fine. This guy looks dirty, crappy, and disgusting, but I installed everything back. Everything seems to be fine, so now I'm gonna test it out, like now. And if everything works out, there it is. Perfect. It's purging the system, so perfect. Okay, so 3D printer is unclogged. I've finished a few videos, editing a few videos. They're basically finishing rendering, and then I'm gonna upload them, grab something to eat, and then I'm gonna go try to shoot some drone shots. I want to challenge you guys to just explore your areas. Even if you think that you've seen everything and you know every spot of that city or area, there most likely are places where you could find something cool, could find something to take picture of, record a video, or, you know, make something that will change your day, change somebody else's day for the better. crazy beautiful lake. I mean, yeah, it's cloudy, it's not sunny at all, it's not bright as it would be if it was sunny, but hey, still, just look at that view. And the best thing was, the best thing that happened today, which was amazing. So basically, I'm flying my drone here, I'm recording some shots, I sent the drone about a mile away. It was amazing. And then I hear some sort of something running behind me. So I'm like, okay, I was by myself, there was nobody at this beach, so I'm like, okay, fine, whatever. So I turned around and I see a deer just standing there looking at me like, what are you doing here? I wanted to grab my phone and take a picture, record the video, but since I was using my phone as my screen for the drone, I didn't have time to switch an app, and when I did, here enough. All the way there. So those mountains are blue. Everything right there is blue. Some yellowish sun is setting right there. And then you can see some pinkish red right there. This is the city I live in. This is basically downtown. I live somewhere down there. But yeah. So it is 7:05 p.m. I am basically done for today.